Home Remedies presents a recipe to get rid of belly fat permanently. If you have a slow metabolism and all your body does is store fat instead of burning it, it might be a good idea to tweak your diet and include foods that help in speeding up the metabolic rate of your body. Lemon and cinnamon are the ingredients that will help to speed up your metabolic rate. Let's see how to make the recipe. Weight loss drink. Ingredients: water ½ liter, lemon 1, cinnamon 1 stick. Method: take 1 lemon and squeeze out all the juice from it in a bowl. Now cut the lemon peels into small pieces. Put the lemon peels in a saucepan and keep the juice aside. Add 1 stick of cinnamon and ½ liter water to the saucepan. Bring to boil, then simmer for 10 to 15 minutes on low heat. Remove from heat and let it cool down. Strain the drink and discard the ingredients. Now add the previously squeezed lemon juice in it. You can store this for 3 days in refrigerator. Drink 1 cup in the morning, half an hour before breakfast, and 1 cup half an hour before dinner. You will be able to see the results in 7 days. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.